Let's fix all these vehicles and find out what they can do. Fix it now. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the excavator. Keep going. Perfect. What do we fix first? Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. You're so smart. That's great! Put a patch on it. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Super! Perfect! Let's paint. You're so smart. That's it! There's something not spinning here. Uh-oh! Trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. You're so smart. Perfect. Install the parts in the matching silhouette. Great job! We have to look in the engine. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Perfect! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. You're so smart. Perfect! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Keep going. Wonderful! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. Great job! All done! Now help to assemble excavator. I knew you could do it! Now we can upgrade the parts! We need to get to the construction site. Let's go! collected.